Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Hillside Horror Haunted House. It's up here in Roaring River, North Carolina. They've got two different attractions here. They've got a hayride and a whole trail. The trail even includes an actual corn maze. It's a pretty long one and it is packed full of creativity. You're not going to want to miss it. So without further ado, let's get into this hayride and get some scares.
Yeah, I think Tyler needs some Windex.
Windex?
You want some Midway?
I think you've been using a little too much Windex.
No, you need some.
Oh.
It's good.
It's good.
Oh.
It's good.
It's good.
It is
It is good. What is this?
You want to pat my phone in?
Oh, God.
I don't know.
Steven, he get a grumpy.
That's great.
You should come up here.
Oh my.
Well, hello, ladies and gentle freaks. That's just a good reminder to not smoke. I am Crispy. I will be your ferryman across the river Styx tonight. In the event of a catastrophic failure or slipping, sliding, jackknifing, any of the above, we ask, put your hands above your head. Put your head between your knees. Then pucker up, kiss your goodbye. At our first stop, we're gonna get us some free candy so we can get us a sugar rush going, because we're gonna need to run later.
Oh.
Run?
I see the free candy
Get the
van.
man out the van, let's holler, Candy Man!
Candyman! Candyman! Hello! Oh, there he is.
Oh, does he have candy?
Absolutely!
Oh.
I'll lie to you, darling.
Oh, thank you. Ooh.
Thank you.
We're gonna have to run later.
Thank you, Candy Man!
Thank you.
Let's roll! As you take the hints I will give you.
Take the
Head,
hint.
shoulders, knees, and toes. Hold on to them all.
Knees and
We're gonna
toes.
blow you away.
Uh-oh. Oh,
Okay.
my!
See, I told you. Oh, it's a lawnmower.
You got blow it
Oh my god. Nice. Beware witch.
These witches are creating a quilt camp. And when they use their product on their guard dog, you get Reginald. You gotta
Man.
have Reginald.
Ow.
Not bad, not bad. Now moving on up for any crybaby, any chicken, any brat that I see fit that bothers me, we'll drop off at the Naughty Children Playground. We will not leave you stranded though. We will have the man in the white van pick you up later.
That's promising.
If the candy wasn't enough and you're still a bit peckish, we're going to stop off at Cannibal Camp. We'll get you a shot of Fireball and some bone stew.
Oh, my! Oh, God.
Oh, he's got some teeth.
Oh, man. Oh, God. There's another one.
He's just sizing it up right now. Throw on, Ferryman.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
All right, I need a largemouth bass. No hands. Look at the mouth on that one. Yeah.
Oh. He's got his hook down here. Somebody take the worm.
Somebody's got to take it.
CBD gummy worms.
Space gonna do it.
Great.
Everybody was jumping for that shit, man.
Oh,
You got
God.
this, darling.
God.
Hey, rip it off. Jerk it.
Fish don't have hands.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
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 You got one.
They took one.
Oh.
They did take him. Bye.
Ah,
Oh, shit. That's great. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, be careful. Be careful.
Another subtle
Monkey
hint.
see, monkey do.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Oh, put your hands in your ears. There he goes.
Oh.
She aboard this hayride.
Not anymore. Oh God. He's gonna light the dynamite on fire. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my!
Woo!
Oh yeah! Woo! Wow!
Right now we have the great debate going on.
Uh-oh.
On stage we have Kamala Harry Ass and Donald Hump.
Oh, I see him over there.
So this is just like I like to call it a little appetizer for what's going to happen inside the trail. Yeah, it gets way better. But we've made it safely across the river Styx. Now your next destination will be the underworld.
Uh-oh. Always wanted to see the underworld.
Always wanted to see under her world. It is time to depart and follow the fence line down to the trail.
All right, then.
We were somewhere else going to the trail. Where? I'm a little short. Oh God, I can't get my fat ass in here. Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God! Hold on.
What the heck is going on? You gotta go through them. There she goes. Oh God. Come on, Brad.
Brad just walked right through there.
Easy. That's terrible.
That was fun.
That's an old bus.
It smells a little old. I didn't even know he was there.
Right? How do you get up there?
Oh, it's a maze.
We're going left.
Yep, left.
I hear him back there again. Oh God.
Dead end!
Oh, yeah.
Dead end! That was a trap! Dang it! I don't know where to go! I'm not supposed to be in the front!
Wow.
She said she gets why we have to eat the candy now.
Yeah. We gotta have the sugar rush to make it through the chainsaw chase.
See, I didn't even see you!
Yeah.
That was good!
Oh, he's coming back for more.
Well, we ain't seen that actor before.
And he's gone.
Oh! Now you're gonna see how many you can get, aren't you?
I don't know how.
No.
Yes.
Right?
You can't trust scarecrows.
I'm a pretty trustworthy guy.
Pretty trustworthy?
Yeah, I'm like 99.8.
It's that point 2 that I'm worried about.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh God! See, it's at point 2.
Thank you.
Oh, we've come across this bus.
Watch your head.
Get into the corner.
Oh God! There was a surprise there.
Ah, here we go. Now we're hooking right. Oh God.
Oh.
You gotta watch out for them. Is this your camp?
Hi!
Hi.
Well,
Is this your camp?
yeah.
Oh,
It says
okay.
camp, huh?
Okay.
Okay, well, here it goes. Yeah. Oh, there's a spider.
I mean, at least
That
they
thing had
decorate.
better not move. Oh.
Have you ever played this lovely game called Open the Door?
Open the. We open all kinds of doors.
You haven't? Okay, so either you can open the door or I can open it. Well, I won! Ha ha! Now you gotta open it.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Ah, she's back. Oh God.
No, they haven't.
Oh God.
Oh, they just shut us
They
in
play
here.
close the door.
On the right.
Oh, good night.
Oh my God, it's a
It's a
bushman.
bushman.
You said it was bushman territory a little bit ago.
Oh God.
Oh. I'm gonna just keep going this way. Hey, no.
Hey, oh God.
Oh, it's the tooth guy
God.
again.
Hello.
Hello. We're doing.
Good. Welcome to the Carnival Midway.
Oh,
We got
Lord.
dolly darts, basket case. You get three heads for $1. Bottom end, you got typical ball toss, or you can do the fan favorite. For $1, you can autograph it and you can staple it in my arm.
Oh my.
$5 to my chest, $10 to my back, $20 to my ass cheek.
Uh-oh.
What do y'all want me to do?
YouTube, can you comment?
He'll let you do it.
Where do you want
Well, I don't even know how to use this thing.
it? You know how to use it.
Oh no. Do I just?
All right, come over here. Where do you want it? Better yet,
I
I
just-
got a sweet spot for you.
Uh-oh. He's gonna let you do Oh God. He's got a sweet spot. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, he's already got one right there.
Yep.
Oh
Run
man.
the Care Bear heart.
Oh my God.
Yep,
We're gonna put,
yep.
and then we just. Oh.
You don't know how to. Come on now.
You just push the
Now,
handle.
make sure you push hard. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Oh, I didn't go.
Are you out of
It
staples? You're out of
missed it.
You're out of staples.
No, I'm not.
Oh God. The staple is, but the dollar bill ain't.
Do it again.
You gotta make it stick.
Oh my God.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh God.
I didn't know I was gonna be touching somebody's butt tonight.
Oh God.
Ah.
Oh, there you go.
There it is. You got it.
Oh my God.
Made it stick.
Oh.
Oh, I see some foreign travel,
Uh-oh.
leadership.
The Sphinx.
Somebody's bringing you good news.
No.
Oh. We like good news.
We like good news. Yeah.
Let's see, romance for you. Some excitement ahead. A lot of action.
Ooh.
Oh, baby.
We're going through the big clawed
Into the
clown.
clown.
What's back there?
Nope. What the heck was that?
I'm not telling you.
Oh God. Yep, I feel it. Got some ankle grabbers.
I think that.
Oh God. Watch out for him.
Oh my God.
See?
Oh.
How are y'all doing?
We're good.
I'm doing great. He wants to try to figure out how to get out of this place.
Through the door.
Okay, hold on a minute.
That
Let's
one
do
says
this.
push.
Follow me. Come on, come on.
We're going through here.
Oh.
There. Okay.
Short people.
Hang
Come
on.
on. Go in this door.
Oh my.
And go to your left.
Left.
Yeah, go to your left.
Okay.
That's the idea. Just do it.
To the right.
Go to the left.
To the right.
Don't listen to clowns.
Oh God.
This is why we don't listen to y'all.
Cannot trust the clowns. Holy
Wait.
cow.
Hang on. We're.
You should know by now, never trust the clown.
I know. I know.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we done that.
That
We're
didn't
not
work.
listening to you.
Now let's do this.
No.
Oh no! This is what we're gonna do now. This is really fun. Okay, you two, come with me. You ready? You ready for this?
Are we going to-
Okay, go this way now.
Oh.
All right, go that way.
Hello. Hey.
Oh. Hi.
I'm a pretty girl.
You're a very pretty girl.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, you got. Yeah. Oh, there's a
Welcome to the junkyard. You got my thing. You're gonna get out.
Red lights
Cool
are kind of
Springs
like.
meat processing. Ooh, that looks like a Leatherface
Oh,
kind
there's
of.
Bubba. Go into the refrigerator. Oh God.
Oh, they are processing us.
Go under the table.
Oh shoot.
Oh, space.
That one just touched me. Oh my God.
Oh, it's a big danger noodle.
That is-
Oh God.
Oh.
Big danger noodle. Big danger noodle.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome
Uh-oh.
to Camp Crystal Lake.
Don't open it.
Oh, somebody's in the crate. Oh man.
Whoa.
Watch out for Jason.
Jason's alive.
He's angry. I see you back here, mama's boy. Oh God, he's after me now.
I think I'm good.
Not right now. Maybe
I
later.
do like the Ravens.
I'm still using my soul right now.
Oh.
Who needs that?
I'm using it right now.
Oh.
Cemetery. Oh my. It's our.
You still need to quit smoking.
Oh my.
I didn't either.
She's done this before.
Oh, you need me to push you? I might. Oh God, she said she'll push you. Oh my
There's a
God.
casket in there too.
How the hell did you get in here? No! Ah! Tyler, watch out!
Oh God. Oh God. No. There's it. Okay. Oh God. So one of the little gags that they got here is you can fork the farmer's wife. Yes, you can take a pitchfork and see if you can hit him. Yeah, go for it. Oh.
And I missed.
It's a little harder than it looks.
Right?
So I don't know what was in his cup before he come tonight, but he was a little crooked.
Are you riding
You
it?
do it like this?
Yeah, just go up there and
Even she won't go up with the
thrust really hard.
But hey, man,
Thrust real hard.
Oh God.
it's all right, buddy.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh, I think I've got a sleeve. Oh God. Oh God. Went for the foot.
She lost her big toe.
Lost a big tail.
Mine's gonna go over the hay bale.
Right? I hope there ain't nobody back here. Oh God. Oh! Got her. Got her.
Come on, Granny.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got all three of them in there.
All three. I forked the farmer's wife at Hillside Horror.
All right, guys. Well, that was Hillside Horror Haunted House. Let us know what you thought. That is a long trail, and including that hayride, I think it's $25. You can't beat that price with a stick. And I'm here to tell you that it's been a long time since we've seen a haunt that's this creative with their scares. Make sure you come out and see them. And if you take your receipt to one of these haunts here on a Sunday, they'll give you a buy one get one. If you enjoyed this trail, I got another one for you right here. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.